Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling core documents. This saves time during submission. Once you have your ID, bank routing, and proof of address, open the Panda portal and select the correct store type. Make sure to enter your tax ID and local permit numbers exactly as issued because mismatches delay approval. If you prefer, choose a partner marketplace option to streamline verification, but expect different fee structures and setup steps. You now fill in the listing details with precision. This is the complex middle work that determines discoverability and compliance. Start by uploading a high-resolution logo and 5 to 10 product photos, then write concise descriptions with target keywords to help search. Next, configure pricing, shipping rules, tax settings, and SKUs so orders process smoothly. Once done, review policies and preview the storefront. Mistakes here require manual edits and reapproval. You finish by submitting the store for review and then testing a live purchase flow. This validates payment and notifications. After submission, expect a 24 to 72-hour processing window. During that time, check your email for required corrections. Make a $1 checkout test to confirm taxes, shipping, and receipts. If your submission is rejected, the single most useful troubleshooting move is to open the rejection notes, fix the exact fields flagged, and resubmit promptly to avoid extra delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.